Welcome back. Our next question is uh, they have given the value of log 2 and the log 3 and they asked to find the log base 10 of 15 by using those values. So here we can write uh, log base 10 of 15 as log base 10 of 15 as log base 10 of 5 into 3. So log base 10 of 5 plus log base 10 of 3. It is because we know the rule of 8 log base a of bc is equal to log a of b plus log a of c. Now they are not given the log base 10 of 5. So we need to write using log base 10 of 2 or 3. But 5 we can write as 10 over 2, and this value we know that we already gave now. So base 10 of 10 over 2 we can write 10 of 10 minus log 10 of 2 and plus log 10 of 3. 10 of 10 is 1 and this is 0.3010 and this is 0.4771. He also used this point. We used log base a to b over c equal log a of b minus log a of c. Okay. Now we have 1.4771 minus 0.3010. It is equal to 1, 6 and 7, 1 point. So this is the final answer. So let's meet from another video. Thank you very much.